Hello, welcome to Sai Recipes. Today I am preparing crushed radish curry. For that, I have taken about 250 grams of fresh radish. I washed the radish well, then cut off the ends and peel them nicely. Please friends, please support me by subscribing my channel Sai Recipes. Here I am cutting the radish into pieces about 1.5 to 2 inches. Again, I cut these chopped radish into a half like this. Now I am going to crush the chopped radish. Crush them gently like this. It's done. Now I put all chopped and crushed radish in a bowl. Then I keep this bowl aside. Next, I am going to prepare masala paste for curry. For that, I heated a pan. To it, I am adding cooking oil, about 1 teaspoon, a quarter teaspoon of cumin seeds, and a few fenugreek seeds, about 10 to 12 seeds. Then add chopped green chillies, about 5 to 6. Fry them for a while. Here I am going to add garlic, 6 to 7 cloves of peeled garlic. Now adding a quarter cup of sliced onion. Saute it till the onions become softened. Here I am adding a few curry leaves and a pinch of turmeric powder. Just saute all the ingredients together for a few seconds. It's done. Now I let it to cool completely, then transfer it to the mixer jar to grind. Before grinding, I am adding few more ingredients to it. Half a teaspoon of tamarind, half a cup of grated coconut, half a cup of coriander leaves, half a teaspoon of poppy seeds and a little bit of water. And then I am going to grind it into a smooth paste. You can see here the ground masala paste is ready. Now I keep this masala paste aside. Further, I am going to make tempering. For that, heat a pan and add a teaspoon of oil to it. Once the oil is heated, add quarter teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once the mustard splutter, add half a teaspoon of finely chopped garlic. Then saute it for a while. Next I am adding finely chopped onion, about half a cup of. Then I saute it well. Here I am adding some curry leaves, 2 chopped dry red chillies and a pinch of turmeric powder, and then just saute them together. At this stage, I am going to add chopped and crushed radish. It is about 1.5 cups. And then mix it properly. Here I have used the same cup or a single cup to measure the ingredients. Here I am adding salt, about a quarter teaspoon of. Then giving it a good mix. Then adding water, about half a cup of, and mix it well. Now I am going to close the lid and then let it to cook for 5 minutes on medium to low flame. It's done, cooked a little bit. Now I am adding ground masala paste to it. Then adding half a cup of water and half a teaspoon of salt. And then I give it a good mix. Again I adding 1.5 cups of water to it and mix it again. Now I am going to close the lid and let it cook for another 5 minutes on medium flame. It's done, cooked. Spicy crushed radish curry is ready. Enjoy this curry with roti, chapati, rice and finger millet balls or ragi mudde. Thank you. Thank you for watching video. Thank you so much.